Do you ever feel that your intelligence, attitude, and talent are something that you are born with and remains fixed? Have you always been concerned about looking perfect and trying to prove yourself in front of others? Do you consider your mistakes as permanent failures? While you think about your answer, let me tell you a story. But before the story, I want to familiarize you with two terms: fixed mindset and growth mindset. Let's talk about fixed mindset. People with a fixed mindset believe that their abilities are predetermined. They often try to hide their flaws and focus on reproducing what they know. They think that failures define who they are. They see their efforts as fruitless and constantly avoid challenges. They feel threatened by others' success. Let me tell you about growth mindset. People with a growth mindset believe in learning and improving. They believe they can achieve anything with hard work and determination. They embrace challenges and consider failure as an opportunity to grow. They get inspired by others' success. Now, to the promised story. Let me take you back to my room on a hot Sunday afternoon in Bikaner, Rajasthan. It was the year 2002. The clock had stopped at 1:15 p.m. after a loud sound. A grenade exploded in my hands. I was 13 years old. 3 months after the accident, I was lying down on the hospital bed with my hands and legs bandaged. My fixed mindset voice spoke to me. I lost both my hands. The doctor said I will never walk again. That means I can't go back to school. I will never be able to dance again. I can't climb trees and fly kites anymore. I can't even pursue my hobby of making art and crafts. Everyone around me thinks that my life is over. I feel I'm a failure and I should just give up. I was afraid. I couldn't believe my own thoughts. Succumbing to my injuries was fate, but staying down, wallowing in self-pity was a choice I didn't want to make. And then my growth mindset voice spoke to me. I survived a near-death experience. I know that I lost my hands, but it is not the end of the world. So what if I can't become a dancer when I grow up? I will go back to school one day. I will meet my friends again. I can do whatever I want to. I can become whoever I want to. Most people get only one shot at life. Look at me. I'm so glad to have a second chance. I want to live my life to the fullest. And thus began my journey. Everyone called me the phoenix who rose from the ashes. On my road to recovery, I understood that I was always at a crossroad. Listened to the fixed mindset voice, which confirmed all my worst fears, or the growth mindset voice, which urged me to march on. There is one particular word that became my mantra during my time in the hospital. The power of the word yet. Y-E-T. I can't walk yet, but I will practice and learn to walk again. I can't go to school yet, but I can still study at home. During practice tests, my speed of dictation to the scribe is not fast yet, but I can work hard and get better in time for the final exams. It is natural to feel disheartened when things don't go the way we planned, but we must resist the urge to quit, or worse, not to try at all. Fear makes us want to give up, but our growth mindset makes us want to try again. The growth mindset creates a powerful desire for learning. It allows us to thrive during some of the most challenging times in our lives. I didn't blame anyone or wished for my problems to go away. I didn't aim to be perfect.
I only aspired for one thing. I wanted to be resilient. In the face of uncertainty, I wanted to have the ability to move forward. In the face of uncertainty, I wanted the ability to cope again. Today, with a doctorate degree and a heart full of courage, I travel the world to inspire people. With time, I redefined my definition of success. Success is not about being more gifted than others. It is about being our best selves. Mistakes and failures don't measure our worth. They are an opportunity for growth and learning.
Join me in suppressing your fixed mindset voice and empowering your growth mindset voice.
Instead of saying, "This is too hard, I'll never be that smart," convince yourself, "This may take some time, but I will learn how to do it." Instead of saying, "I made a mistake, I'm afraid I'm a failure," comfort yourself, "When I fail at something, I learn a valuable lesson." Instead of saying, "This is good enough," ask yourself, "Is this really my best work?" Change your mindset, change your life.